I think it's great. You know, the warmth that they bring to wherever they are is outstanding. As you can see, the whole stadium is filled with Pakhtuns from all over the world, and I think it's their energy and their enthusiasm which is also, you know, making the team play and perform so well. Pakhtun is a tribe which is not restricted to just one country. Pakhtuns are scattered all over the world. I am a proud Pakhtun from India, and I just want to give love to all the Pakhtuns to all over the world, because honestly there is a lot of love among the hearts of both among the hearts of people of both the countries. I don't know why this notion is created that there is hatred, क्योंकि आप इंडियंस को पाकिस्तानियों के बारे में पूछो वो अच्छा ही बोलेंगे, आप पाकिस्तानियों को इंडियंस के बारे में पूछो वो अच्छा ही बोलेंगे. तो दोनों कंट्रीज़ के दिलों में बस एक दूसरे के लिए प्यार ही है. नौजवानों के लिए, बूढ़ों के लिए, बच्चों के लिए, सभी के लिए ये कहूँगी कि Pakhtuns all over the world rock, and please give all your love and support to our team.
Powered by GP Lubricant, proud sponsor of Pakhtun cricket team.